Hello everyone, welcome to Lightex Tech Support channel. My name is David and today I'll show you how to change your username account on Windows 11 operating system. So to change the username that you have set in the past, not a problem, we can change that at any time later on. So in the search bar here at the bottom on the Windows, we'll have to search for control panel. And that pops up on the other monitor. Let me drag it all the way down on my main monitor, and here on the right side you should have user accounts, change account type, and here you should normally see all the users that you have created in the past. I will blur my administrator user because that included my personal information, but the one from the left, this one is the main user that have all the administrative rights, and on the right side I have another test user. Of course I name it test1. Let's hit test1 as an example. And what if I want to change this username? Well, I will have a button on the left side, change the account name of this account. So it's test1 right now. Let's name it test2, why not? And let's press on change name, and just to double check that I just closed that. Let's open again control panel to see if the name actually changed. So on the user accounts, change account types, and I can see test2, so the user name just changed. So that was the tutorial how to change the user account on a Windows 11. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. Don't forget to smash up the like button and please have a great day.